Today we will talk about 89 Odisha Day celebration celebrated by Odias in Singapore. In Singapore, the Odia community recently celebrated the 89th Utkal Divas with great enthusiasm and glory. The event, organized by the Odia Society of Singapore (OSS) with the support of Indian High Commission, showcased the essence, excellence, and charm of Odisha. The venue, adorned beautifully at the Grassroots Club auditorium, radiated the festive spirit of Odisha, transforming into a mini Odisha. The atmosphere was filled with joy and excitement. Over 300 Odias and admirers of Odisha attended the grand festival along with their families. The main aim of this celebration was to highlight and share Odisha's rich art, vibrant culture, ancient traditions, delicious cuisine, captivating tourism, and elegant craftsmanship with the broader community in Singapore. The Gala Festival featured captivating performance, delightful cuisine, and display of Odisha's cultural heritage. Attendees immersed themselves in the beauty and diversity of Odisha, fostering great appreciation and understanding of the Odisha's unique offerings. The Odisha Day celebration in Singapore not only strengthened the bonds within the Odia community but also promoted cross-cultural exchanges and mutual understandings among all attendees. It served as a wonderful platform to showcase Odisha's treasures to the world and left a lasting impression of warmth and hospitality. The festivities kicked off with the rendition of Odisha's state anthem, Bande Utkal Janani. The grand opening was led by the guest of honor, Excellency Dr. Silpak Ambule, the High Commissioner of India to Singapore, who lit the ceremonial lamp placed before the idol of Lord Jagannath on stage. Dr. Ambule was honored with Odisha's traditional Uttariya and a bouquet of flowers by Subrat Nayak, President of OSS, and Hemanta Raut, Secretary of OSS. During his address, Dr. Ambule highlighted the enduring richness of Odisha's cultural heritage. He commended the Odia Society of Singapore for its commendable efforts in showcasing and promoting the magnificent aspects of Odisha on foreign soil. Dr. Ambule's word resonated with attendees, underscoring the importance of preserving and celebrating Odisha's ancient traditions and cultural treasures. His praise for the Odia Society of Singapore emphasized the pivotal role of cultural ambassadors in fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. The ceremony was a testament to the enduring ties between Odisha and Singapore, united by shared values and a deep appreciation for heritage and diversity. The highlight of this claimed celebration was a spectacular cultural extravaganza featuring both upcoming and established artists. The event showcased a captivating Odissi dance performance, a charming play of Ramayana by young children, and energetic rendition of Sambalpuri and contemporary Odia songs, which enthralled and delighted the audience. The crowning moment of the show was the melodious session presented by renowned Odia singers Pradeep Palai and Pragyan Hota, whose performances resonated with the attendees. In addition to the captivating performance, the celebration featured a vibrant exhibition of Odisha's famous handloom textiles and handicrafts, which served as a major attraction for visitors. The exhibition provided guests with an opportunity to admire and acquire exquisite pieces that exemplify Odisha's rich artist heritage. The event not only entertained but also educated and celebrated the diverse cultural tapestry of Odisha, leaving a lasting impression on all who attended. The celebration concluded with the distribution of prizes to the winners of the badminton tournament, chess competition, quiz program, and the Youth Achiever title. The event also featured the presentation of unique and memorable gifts, including Odisha's Patta Chitra paintings and jute bags embroidered with People's Applique works, given to all participants as door gifts. The entire program was expertly conducted and presented by the adept anchors Aditi Misra and Abhishek Rautre, who ensured a smooth and seamless experience for all attendees. Their engaging hosting added to the overall enjoyment and success of the event, leaving participants with cherished memories and a deeper appreciation for Odisha's cultural heritage. The successful execution of the Utkal Divas celebration was made possible by the dedicated and spirited team of OSS. This team, led by President Subrat Nayak and Secretary Hemanta Raut, included Vice President Rupak Sahu, Assistant Secretary Lopa Mudra Behera, Treasurer Sanjeev Sahu, Assistant Treasurer Somya Pal, and several executive committee members Swagatika Biswal, Dharma Niranjan Acharya, Dinesh Mahapatra, Lagnajit Patnaik, Niranjan Biswal, Prasanna Kumar Jeena, Pramod Sahu, Ranjit Sahu, Sitansu Gadnayak, Shomesar Sarma, along with auditors Ranjan Sahu and Trumula Patro. The advisor team comprised of Alok Panda, Sarat Mohanty, Subdipta Tripathi, Basant Das, and Sabyasachi Misra, whose guidance and support were instrumental in ensuring the event's success. Together, this dedicated group individuals worked tirelessly orchestrate a memorable and joyful celebration that showcased the best of Odisha's culture and heritage in Singapore. Their teamwork and commitment exemplify the spirit of unity and collaboration within the Odia community, fostering a good spirit of friendship and pride among all participants. Thank you for today.